Therefore, now we say, Ekofo be bring trouble but me and you yamasem, and yamasem. Now we say people be bring pelokore, but no corner de biya de bebro. We do the for Michael. We should share my bontia from the face sanana. A face sanana na joso na biya de guitar. E street no so. Na can we do a deal? Miss so person anytime biya who dey kwa. Me say subscribe to this YouTube channel. Too much GH. Subscribe. O subscribe am say notification button no. Nia. Me do video ni too ma. We sabe kan be bia na wa hwe. O pokra na o betima hwe ni later. We say YouTube wa later na wa hwe. Na be bia de guitar e street no so. Na me so say o person bo dwuma ko bi ho dawo na ni petugu so. Se de se ni prebiasa. Won sapobre egu ebitu mu a bia be kama e de amount e be bia wo bia timi so fa number egu screen na say na yan WhatsApp another from me na yeni komo be bia wo bia me ba na ya ba ni aba ba be komo kama pa e be bia wo bia na me so answer the name some ye de ba so no tiye Ghana Police Service the minister say bia ba ko fo ko mo pressure your system ni pressure you can pressure our system ni na pressure no when e dey aba ene me kawo because there are instances akoso our Ghana Police Service and ko fo bo mu tuo ko fo do hu na ya ko say you person dey kan once na me kawo a e so na nyina no me ye pie e dey ama na answer na no you dey call a criticism segment no so a criticism and I will be say na dey na we be kire bi ade o ya o ka che say criticism ye nam ko mu ha no the brain ye na bi a be fi say no ma about in criticism tiri ko fo bi ye na bi a woni say e ye no ma about in criticism a criticism e bi ni say obi o ho a e woni pam o kasa the way be say too full and yes some obeka obepie fi na no sabi what chekira tim je nipa no nya normal ba no e normal ti mesramo sa no obi kasa e obedwam ana so kasa obedwam a o kasa no ni kwa be fa so a obekasa etutu full etubu obu a se previous o kasa to wa yise enkane ni edwane emwa woman kasa yie na emwa because say the new normal ni say obe kasa e ni pamua kasa yie ma kasa e ho mrenyam ni kasa ni personasi ya tetemo we any class sem for the day a na be mi tell me sina me ko ba e beto aso say o pese videos ameye no me be bu workshop number go be ma simple for number na wase e ba shop no wa ba ye video bi ama kama ye ri ani adi komo ni ehunu de ekọ e street ni so na me hwe utie police fo e wo system yi Ghana police fo bebre ajibobo stress e ku Ghana Police Service hwe ma me ma analysis bi so we call security agencies ni mu a one book bi a ye kan na o kanya AK-47 na tu adima police service no eni kwa eye dia ememo stress most of Ghana Police Service teaching the junior staffs no they are living under depression omeka jam say adaina obofo kase Ghana Police juniors officers no live under depression right mamika sam cho Ghana ha say the trauma as a junior officer se fako duty one e to no point ke me chiro enema eye at stake a obi bit will lead to depression. Odi ka to na I also register to no. O register we are now di ebia obofo Michael efisana na me na enne mo foto AK47 na ma twa number wo ho. Me twa wi a enso wa. Etu oba e be ma wo. Ya be kan dia ma wo. Me aka mo wi no eno ni ye criminal eno ni ye obese eno ni ye twatwa so. Na wo wi e odi kodi ti no. Se washa Ghana Police Service obu tutu bia anoma woni shota obu wi na aboba no saa cover bi na wo ho no se hwehwe busasa adentia saa bi no kwa stressful eti asem na sie wi no ko ba si no mo ba no ma ehio o ke pe ba bullet no cover no fire because everyone dey kwa ya account say na ko ni ti me fire bi a three shots o fire ya no aboba no anyway women's away. This is distress. Ghana Police Service FM. And this is also se 20 kwawa. Wo police officer no. Eye wasedi se wo hwe se etu no obi influence am. Etitu etu ni call 24/7 no. Emi kwan se wo ye wadwe se wo be no obi agye afu se ti de bia wadwe wo tu no so. De bia wadwe wo tu no so. Enu koda etu no why would you say obi influence am o hwe say psychological wadwini mu no so obi ayo boni kwa na o fetu no moni pakro enu so another distress level la police for okom enu koda o say we are etu no kwa no wo hwe wu say akola enfam yagro eti be bia na ma ne kwa o if in the water you go to the kwano e ma on ku distress also for the biblia wadwire woni rebo we kai woni na bi hwe the police officers no mo nam no biblie e ku distressed ko ni ho no e ni na kitikiti say most of the police service teaching junior officers omo ni omo so ko police e ni ho ba mo e na bribe ji eba mu no cause obi na dey say onye sika pupu do bi no onya pe eno anu no na jama ko chen abo chiri me di no retirement only why say Ghana Police but we ena emma your security no the tightness so ever form just recently half a senate a whole district commander upon who to yes. According to report, I say, "O Janot say I'm fed up." Hey, a police officer actually to maintain upon to say I'm fed up. So you have about 4 years ago in Kumasi, one constable, one sweet prophet said me, tell you what, yes, investigation is going on. We be a guy ready. Most cases are winning. So there are so many instances of police from the to what is the cause? The stress in the police service is too much. It is only in Ghana. It's only in Ghana. Not a police officer, a junior police officer. A guy Penny call Ghana. A funny say. Where the house boy and a housemaid. Now a whole police officer work on training. Actually, here, I've done for a taxpayers' money. Every car. The minister in China. No call minister back. How come? Everyone will be cool. Now minister. Political appointment to be now you're the police officer. Not question is a whole police officer. A whole police officer. No credit on the back. What graduated from police officer to a personal assistant, and a personal assistant made as that. Look at this. Just look at this. Now you know we do what I say. It's only in Ghana. IGP maybe one no. HNO call retirement. HNO call retirement. It's the able men now me. I just do money equal, you know. You don't appoint them. That is Ghana for you. And it's so alarming. Now, say you will be young sorry and Cassan's in Muya. Young sorry and Cassan's in Muya. Who will say it? The junior officers are dying slowly. And then the senior officers are enjoying. With all respect, with all greatest respect. We know a senior officer, not a fool. I'm telling you, then these junior officers will be parading here and there, no more Bahaman, so many stress. Why? These are security people that we entrust our security upon their hands for them to guide us. Look at the stress these people are going through. You should wait for me make car. I'm saying here, if it's our brain, may stress our police flow, junior officers in the phone. Suicide killing. I bear rampant. I'm telling you. What you know about that? Sorry, I say police in that will too. But yes, police in that welcome. But you say this is what will be going on. Penny sorry. The IGP, the commanders, everybody will be sorry. The junior staffs need to be taken care of. Now, I didn't say a junior officer. May say no to say no. You say yeah, you ready? You got to fee. We no police in you. We are not a police officer. It won't catch you to be ready. What you mean ready? I'm telling you, what you mean ready? What is wrong is wrong. We need to protect our future. Ye children na ye ja omo ho no. Ye mu bi na wo say ye ka no kora ne kire mo. No measures should be taken. So be ye children no. E be tuma ba omo ho ban. We need na mu ye, anye na mu ye. Ghana, we need to be serious as a country. The junior officers are dying. I've been a police officer. Upon war training now, what from Unimra, so one casa offer life. No cool a man body. But to me, I'm running now. No cool. Have you asked yourself that? This is Ghana for you. Here I wish for. Say no chrono one can. The truth need to be told. The truth need to be told. Now, some police friends me. Who said about the brain? Who said about the brain? Just look at the mentality of Ghana police. Say yes, you will be a station officer, a whole police office. It's really be a 10 years in a plenty order. It is a what you do, not say, buy out to me, 10 years in a plenty order. Psychologically, why do you not cake? Why do you not Jimmy? Why do you not bottom? 10 years. I said, only king. The king said, it takes ecophobia over to what I said. They want to help. And I'm cooperating a police station. It's only in Ghana. And it's only because a prisoner. And presume say so cool. This is what is going on in Ghana. And we see no wrong in it. That is so pathetic. So one crowd you me so within your for Michael. That's an Asia. Jamaica energy camera na chi. Chi bibia e de ma yen. The editor, senior editor Frank Macron.